In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Sumatra PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to close down the Sumatra PDF app, and of course you want to save if you have something to save. So I'm going to close like this, and I'm going to click on Discard Changes. And from here, you want to go to the search box at the bottom over here on your computer, Windows computer, and you want to type in installed. There we go, and then find installed apps. So just click on installed apps over here, and whenever you do so, it's going to open all the apps you have installed onto your computer. You want to go to search apps up top, and you want to look for Sumatra. You'll find Sumatra PDF. You want to click on the three dots next to it, click on uninstall, and then uninstall again. Wait for a few seconds. This is going to open up. Here you have to confirm it, so click on uninstall Sumatra PDF, and that's all you have to do. There we go, it's been uninstalled. When you click on close, it's no longer going to be on the list and on your computer. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.